First impressions are everything. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time, walking into a job interview, or even setting up your online profile, the way you present yourself can leave a lasting impact. But how can you ensure that this impact is powerful and positive? Today, we'll explore the art of making a first impression using time-tested Stoic principles and practical strategies that inspire confidence and respect. From understanding yourself to mastering the fundamentals of communication, this guide will help you navigate any situation with poise and authenticity. We'll uncover the secrets to creating a lasting impression, both in person and online. Let's dive in. First impressions matter, why they are crucial, and how AI can help. First impressions are formed within seconds, and they often set the tone for how we are perceived. Psychologists call this the primacy effect, the idea that the initial information we receive about someone heavily influences our perception of them. First impressions shape how others perceive our competence, trustworthiness, and likability, often influencing decisions in personal and professional settings. Studies reveal that it takes as little as 7 seconds to form an impression, whether it's during a job interview, a networking event, or even a casual social interaction. These moments are powerful because they tap into our innate tendency to evaluate others quickly. In today's digital age, even online interactions count. Your social media profiles, LinkedIn photos, and email etiquette play a crucial role in forming these impressions. But here's the good news. Technology, especially AI-powered tools, can help. In a digital-first world, your LinkedIn headline, Instagram bio, or even the tone of your emails can be the first handshake someone experiences. AI-powered tools are revolutionizing how we approach these touchpoints. For example, platforms like Grammarly analyze the tone and clarity of your written communication, ensuring that your emails convey professionalism and confidence. On social media, tools like Photofeeler can assess the impact of your profile picture by evaluating traits like competence, likability, and influence. These insights can help you optimize your online persona. AI tools like virtual assistants analyze tone, body language, and presentation to provide invaluable feedback. With guidance on communication style and posture, these tools can revolutionize personal branding and professional development. Imagine having a personal coach guiding you every step of the way. Consider tools like Body Language AI, which uses video analysis to identify areas for improvement in nonverbal communication, such as eye contact, posture, and gestures. These subtle yet impactful elements influence how others perceive your confidence and approachability. Meanwhile, AI-driven personal coaches, like the ones integrated into apps like Replica or Virtual Speech, provide real-time feedback on presentation skills, helping you refine your delivery and build rapport with an audience. Beyond technology, the principles remain the same. Be intentional about the image you project. Whether online or face-to-face, understand that every interaction is an opportunity to leave a mark. With a combination of mindfulness and modern tools, you can consistently make a positive first impression. Mindfulness plays a significant role here. Before stepping into an important meeting or uploading a new profile picture, ask yourself, what message am I sending? Am I aligning my behavior and presentation with my goals? Being deliberate and consistent ensures that your first impression resonates with your audience, leaving a lasting positive impact. Stoic principles for a powerful impression. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, offers timeless insights into self-awareness and emotional control, two key ingredients for making a strong first impression. The Stoics believed that self-mastery is the foundation of a virtuous and impactful life. In the context of first impressions, self-awareness a cornerstone of Stoicism, enables you to present your best self without pretense. Seneca's advice to know thyself reminds us to understand our strengths and weaknesses. Self-awareness isn't just about introspection, it's about harnessing your best qualities while acknowledging areas for growth. When you're self-aware, you project authenticity and confidence, two traits that others find magnetic. Imagine walking into a room fully aware of your unique abilities, whether it's your knack for storytelling, analytical thinking, or empathetic listening. This awareness allows you to play to your strengths while maintaining humility. For instance, an entrepreneur pitching their business might emphasize their vision and leadership, acknowledging the contributions of their team to convey authenticity and balance. Stoic virtues are also crucial. Take courage and temperance, for example. Courage allows you to step forward with confidence, while temperance reminds you to act with restraint and consideration. This balance can leave a powerful impression on others, showing that you are both confident and composed. Courage doesn't mean being brash, it's about taking calculated risks. Think of a young professional asking insightful questions during a meeting. This demonstrates courage. Temperance, on the other hand, ensures that enthusiasm doesn't turn into overbearing behavior. Together, these virtues create a harmonious impression of confidence and self-control. Consider historical figures like Marcus Aurelius, who exemplified composure under pressure. As a leader, his ability to remain calm inspired trust and respect, a skill that is just as valuable today. His writings remind us that while we cannot control others, we can always control ourselves. Take inspiration from Marcus Aurelius, who, as a Roman emperor, managed crises with grace. His meditations emphasize focusing on what is within our control, a mindset that can help professionals navigate high-pressure situations. Whether you're presenting to stakeholders or managing team conflicts, staying composed enhances your credibility and leadership presence. Another key Stoic concept is apatheia, freedom from emotional disturbance. When you control your emotions, you appear grounded and unshaken, which naturally draws others to you. Whether in a high-stakes meeting or a casual introduction, this poise sets you apart. In practice, apatheia is not about suppressing emotions, but mastering them. For example, during a challenging negotiation, maintaining a calm demeanor signals confidence and reliability, influencing outcomes in your favor. In more casual settings, such as meeting someone new, this emotional balance fosters trust and approachability, leaving a lasting positive impression. Practical strategies, mastering the fundamentals. Now let's get into the practical steps. These are the building blocks of a memorable first impression. First, let's talk about the handshake. A firm handshake shows respect and assertiveness. It's not just a formality, it's an opportunity to convey confidence. Imagine meeting a potential business partner for the first time. That handshake could be the difference between building a strong rapport and leaving an impression of uncertainty. A handshake that's too limp may suggest hesitation, while one that's too strong can come across as overbearing. Aim for a middle ground, confident but not domineering. Practice with friends or colleagues to fine-tune the right amount of pressure. It's all about creating a moment of connection right from the start. Second, maintain good eye contact. Looking directly at the person you're speaking with signals attentiveness and confidence. It's a simple but powerful way to show you're fully engaged. Think about the last time you had a conversation with someone who avoided eye contact. You probably felt dismissed or disconnected. But when someone holds your gaze, you feel acknowledged and valued. If you're nervous, start small by maintaining eye contact during casual conversations. Over time, this will help build comfort, making it second nature in more formal settings. Third, A genuine smile is one of the simplest ways to create a warm and positive connection. A smile that comes from a place of sincerity can make you approachable and instantly melt any tension. For example, think of the difference between a polite, forced smile and one that radiates warmth. The latter invites others into your personal space, while the former might seem distant. When you smile genuinely, you're letting the other person know you're open and present in the moment. It's a powerful nonverbal cue that says, "I'm here for this interaction." Beyond these basics, posture and tone of voice are equally important. Stand tall, with shoulders back and chin level. Imagine walking into a room where someone has a posture that exudes openness. This person seems confident and approachable, right? On the other hand, someone slumped over with closed body language might unintentionally communicate insecurity. Your posture affects how others perceive you, and it also influences how you feel about yourself. Pair that with a tone of voice that is clear and steady, and you're well on your way to leaving a lasting impression. Avoid rushing your words or mumbling, as that can convey uncertainty or lack of preparation. Beyond the basics, cultivating a lasting impression. First impressions don't end with the initial interaction. To truly leave a lasting impact, focus on meaningful conversations and authenticity. People remember how you made them feel. Have you ever walked away from a conversation thinking, "Wow, that person really listened"? That's the power of active listening. When you engage fully, make eye contact and respond thoughtfully, you show respect for the other person's perspective. This doesn't mean interrupting or waiting for your turn to speak. It's about being present and absorbing what's being shared. A simple, "That's really interesting, tell me more about that," can go a long way in making someone feel truly valued. When you're authentic, you build trust, and trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. Authenticity doesn't mean telling your life story at every opportunity, but it does mean being true to yourself and letting your personality shine. For example, if you have a quirky sense of humor or a deep passion for a particular cause, let that come through naturally in your conversations. Authenticity creates a sense of reliability and makes others more likely to trust and connect with you on a deeper level. Consider leaving each interaction with a positive takeaway. A thoughtful comment, a compliment, or even a small gesture of kindness can make you unforgettable in the best way possible. Think about the times when someone has complimented your work or acknowledged your effort. Those moments stick with you, don't they? They build goodwill and keep you top of mind long after the interaction is over. A simple, "I really appreciate your time today," or "I love how passionate you are about that topic," can make a world of difference. The power of follow-through. Your first impression is just the beginning. Following through on your words and actions solidifies your reputation and deepens connections. Consistency is key. Whether it's keeping a promise, delivering on a task, or simply staying in touch, these small actions build trust and respect over time. Consider the professional who makes a bold promise during a meeting but fails to follow through later. That initial good impression fades quickly when actions don't match words. But when you follow through, people start to see you as reliable and trustworthy. This is especially important in professional settings where your reputation can make or break future opportunities. Make follow-up a habit. After meeting someone new, send a quick email or message to thank them for their time. This small gesture shows that you value the interaction and keeps you on their radar. Imagine meeting someone at a networking event who follows up with a thoughtful message. You'll likely remember them and view them as someone who values relationships. It doesn't have to be a lengthy email. Just a few words to express gratitude can make all the difference. In the end, making a powerful first impression isn't just about the initial encounter. It's about creating a positive and lasting connection that stands the test of time. Every interaction is an opportunity to reinforce the positive impression you've made. Treat it as an ongoing practice, not a one-time effort. Just like any skill, consistency and practice are key to mastering the art of first impressions. Now that you know how to make a powerful first impression, it's time to put these strategies into action. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, authenticity always wins. Your journey to mastering first impressions begins today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Stoic-inspired strategies, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue the conversation.